Not a single one, and you're one total plan said, wait, and I'm a person me. And your business will be the buyer, say, Charlie, I did wait, what the bag I bear from your souls are, and a man for your winshim. Then he puts the money to work. Ghana is not that cheap. We need to start thinking deep. Ghana, you cheap, sir. How many of the look, even and excuse me to use this word here, but we have always known him to be a rich man, which he is a rich man. But say or then no guarantee the much won't to me. We also said there be a juma we say all of that came to bear at the Yoko office, so he couldn't build Chema won't to me. So the idea say or be jumano. Said the fact say, this can be Biejuma. He has to have the IQ for that. Namo no papa no mo dona. Nkamo chene she dem temu no papa no ye ne kama kakra sa for some time. Nanka after 2028 no be start here yin anim am yin anim. They say mama small boy bia benyeske bia o say ne sa dia mo fa Ghana kakra ke ni na nhwe mensa. Mfa Ghana nhwe mensa na menko gina won ka say Mamprusis fo ne hwanwafo entokwanti na sebi yakulusu. We be no opportunity so be twa sign was say aka kire say oh ene me kra na me meska ye ko hwe record mu so aduka daya. What are we turning MPP into? What have we turning Dankwa Dumbo Busia to? Is this the Busia party? President Kufu MPP neni? President Kufu Bauri dunu mwadwuma mo be ye no ebi ne yete ha ye. Na oko kan na obi asebi o penny bi kitua bi e dina no abegina na ono mo bedwene say you be sika bi obi benya obi onimi bi ani mbere amebre for 2024 jamen kola ho jame busuan makotena Ghana 8 months out of the 12 months said Dr. Baumienti me ba kia ye my account kire me na makawe mo face da form. Mo face that from na opportunity abase ya ye betumi enya etumi de change Ghana push Ghana to the next level. Yeah, the bedani who has money and who can talk the most shit. Excuse my language. Is that what Ghana was built on? Yatina Ghana abeku yatina Ghana and penifo mo no mo sie so matena parliament 24 years. Wo mo ando anko dwene an hu no say be ye gold mu no edu nti ye betumi de abake ye currency ye betumi de ye gold aheden e de agye oil ye ntumi hu sa adwene no matena o ma ceremony na mo ka no Mamprusis ni na mo ka se won sem fata no abekire mu adwene we de agumani mu ase a mo ndwene hu nkonkosia na mai mo ene ye akamfo na de bi aka I said the account strength is going down and this ikedwa kofi ya twene gotem and na bono for sorry ayesisi enfante for sorry ayesisi akamfo ye mu sisi tete ana etete wo mo ye bu o mabofi an kan ye kan ye hubom osoro oba ye nuanom south for no so a wo mo so de wo mo no ye kan ye hubom chin bibia Ediane yeje MPP for ediane yeje edie pa na sabri yeje. The opportunity is there for us to capture because everybody or yes sensible minority being only say so it is actually true that if you're a minority in Ghana you have and you know when the minority gets themselves together and they rebel, do you know what your fate is? Somebody is dragging you to the abattoir. I want him say you could charity, and you are still trying to play politics with it. Politics that is based on religion and ethnicity and whatever was cancelled in somewhere 50s. You could check the record. Today is not what I can do for the party no more. When it came for me to speak for the party, and found me Mamprusis ni kurasini biba. When it came for me to defend the party in court, yeah, ideas I had to build your mind. Tell me when I went to cabinet and subjected sa ambulance case, no, you said young country me say me ya wine said kurasini Mamprusis ni me bo modern di drone buy some George adani gbe come so or baby I said yeah or no if kikem drone here you man kasa me Mamprusis ni na said oh Christo ni dia o dia me kremoni mrameto aba ma na wo bra be di won na me kremoni dia ka chem se me kremoni ntumi the Bible ni kurukura no enimu ndim ba ko bekume dance
me da say
Blackwa the way the end I have worked with honorable Blackwa
The way the NPP came at him, accused him, insulted him, look, denigrated him for calling out Dr. Bernard Champon in his attempt to buy the SNIT hotels. Today, MPP members, people close to Dr. Bawumia and people close to Kennedy Japan and co. are the people mentioning that when he had the opportunity as a cabinet minister, he wanted to buy state hotels. So all of a sudden, it is no more an NDC propaganda. So we are taking note. We are taking note because all the things that they described as lies and propaganda from us are being re-echoed by them, and they are saying it so loud that we have the receipt. We are keeping the receipts. Today, if it was the NDC that accused Kennedy Japan of being reckless or being, say, irresponsible in his commentary and what have you, they would have come after us. And those are the things that they did in the past. But today, it is the NPP, some executives, leading members, some even former appointees who are calling out Kennedy Japan and using some of these words to describe him as a tribal bigot, an irresponsible man, and what have you. So for me, the only lesson, key lesson, profound lesson I am learning in this MPP internal contest is that time is a true revealer of things. And this time, the internal contest is vindicating the NDC. Because, Roland, these are things we said in the past, and they said we were lying, they called us names. But today, they are the ones throwing these things at each other. We are taking notes. We are keeping the receipts. And at the right time, we will use them. Finally, again, when we said Dr. Bawumia was incompetent, he could not run the economy, and that he messed up Ghana's economy, and that given the opportunity, he will mess the economy more. We saw what they did, haircuts, subjected Ghanaians to buy forced haircuts, proper haircuts on our investment. Even retirees were not spared in the wickedness in the execution of the economic agenda. They said, oh, you know, Dr. Bawumia was economic whiskey, and they touted him as, not part of the mess. So they tried pushing all the blame on His Excellency President Akufo-Addo, and they trying to delink Dr. Bawumia from the mess. And so anytime anything good was mentioned, Dr. Bawumia takes credit. And then when it comes to the mess and the challenges, the failure of the government, they say, oh, that one was Akufo-Addo. But today, MPP members, former appointees, members of parliament, former ministers are the ones telling us that Dr. Bawumia is so incompetent and he cannot manage the economy. After the primaries, let none of those people turn back and come to tell us that Dr. Bawumia is competent. Because we are taking notes.
Well, if he's the one chosen, you have no choice.
No, if he's the one chosen, don't come and polish him. Because in this contest, you are telling us that he was a mess of an economic manager. And so, if he emerges as the winner, don't try and come into, polish him now and make him look like he's somebody who can manage the economy. All I'm saying is that, Roland, whatever they are saying about Dr. Bawumia now, they should maintain same after he is elected. Whatever they are saying about Bernard Champon, they should maintain same after he is elected. Whatever they are saying about Kennedy Japan, and I believe Kennedy will win. When he wins the elections, the same comments that the MPP members are telling us that he is reckless, he is irresponsible, he is a tribal bigot, those are the things we'll see on the billboard for 2028. Let nobody attempt to clean up the mess of any of the candidates that we